back to Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. Today, we're going to build a kit based on mood and feel. And it's November, so I want my mood and feel to be super cozy, comfy cozy, everything that can be comfy cozy. Essentially, what you see in this little book right here with my little man. So what I did is I went through my inventory and I pulled every piece of paper I could think of that has that mood and feel. So I tore down this paper pad from Recollections, Cozy Neutrals. I tore down this Sweet Bloom from Park Lane, where I got that lovely maroon and gold paper. I tore down this paper pad by Park Lane, Bloom de Fleur. I grabbed every paper I could think of that matched that mood and feel from my colored cardstock. So, this is really my inspiration piece. It's got that dark, warm, cozy feeling to it. In addition to this piece, I love that deep blue. And so I am just going to go through piece by piece, trying to narrow down this like 2-3 inch stack of paper here. Let's see how many inches it is. It is 2 inches of paper that I've put in color order. So we first start with these inspiration pieces, and I'm only looking at the front side when I'm doing this, okay? Now most of these pages are double-sided. Okay, so you can see I brought in more of that blue, and then I brought in some black. So, oops, I got some more here. As you can see, I pulled a lot of inspiration pieces into this. So let me move that massive stack right there. Okay, so this one obviously is going to make my kit. So my goal is to narrow down that 2-inch stack into maybe a couple different kits, okay? Kits usually contain about 20 pages for me because I keep my kits around a long time. So I got that paper. This paper. We've brought in some yellow now. And I really picked this paper for that blue. I've got this paper here. These and these came from the same paper pad. Got some green with floral. This one brought in more of that red tone than this burgundy maroon color. This one brought in more of that pink and aqua and the wood grain. Some more of that coral. Okay. This one's more red as well. And then this piece right here. So I think I'm going to pick 2 papers out of this bunch for the first set. Okay, so let's do that. Let's pick 2 papers. I think I want my blue set to be separate. Now that I'm looking at this, this is going to be a separate page kit, or separate scrapbooking kit. And I think this one is going to be as well. Let's see if this pairs well together. I think I'm going to do these 2. Maybe skip this one altogether. These are pretty much the same paper, so I need to pick which one's my favorite, and I think it's this one. And I'm going to put, let's see. Let's put these 2 together, I think. So I'll move these off to the side. I like these 2 together though. This is going to be a different page kit. So this one needs something with it. And I don't feel like these two types of flowers really mesh well together. Neither do those. I think it's going to be this one. Okay, so that one and that one will go together. Now these don't bring in many colors. This has got some yellow in it. So let's start with these two papers. So while I'm going through my massive stack of papers, what I'm looking for are the different colors in this kit, or in these two papers. So I'm going to start with pink because that's at the beginning of my rainbow. And here are my pink colors. Now pink is not going to land, oh, it is going to land in some of the other two. So I will lay out all of my pink papers. Okay. So right away, I think this pink is going to go well with these. So we're just going to set it like that. Yep, that looks really good together. Do I want one more pink? I have a boy, so it's really hard for me to use pink when I'm looking at these papers. Okay, so let's pull in a lighter pink. And let's do this one here. Yeah, that looks good together. So if I move these away, that is a good beginning. Okay, so that is the pinks. I'm going to do the same thing. Lay these out for the pinks. Now typically when I build a page kit, or a kit, ooh, I think this one's the winner. Look at that, that's beautiful. Do I want another pink? I need a darker pink. What if I do this one? Nope, that's too pink. What about this one? That one kind of brings in that salmon color. Let's see. I think I'm set, unless I use, let's check this one. Okay, I'll use those two pinks. So these ones are gonna go bye-bye for a little bit. I may end up making other kits as well. Okay, so that one is done. And then this other one doesn't have any pink in it. So we're gonna leave it out. Okay, so back to this guy. Now we're gonna go on to the maroon / red section. Now I don't have very many of these papers, but I freaking love them. This is like one of my favorite colors of all time. Oh, I think. Okay. So this has the same flower type as this one right here. So I think I'm going to sneak this one in here. Yep. Okay. And I like this really dark burgundy. Here, let's look at this here. Let's see. I think I need this color. Okay. So that's for that one. Put that one aside. Pull out this guy. Okay. So I immediately saw this with this one. You know what, I think this is too red. I don't like this together. Well, but here's this red. Here we go. That's how I can pull it in right there. That red right there. Okay. I really wanted to use this somewhere. How gorgeous that is. This may end up having to be a separate kit somewhere, because it does not match. Well, yeah, it doesn't really match this. Okay, so we'll put this one, we'll put these aside. Do I want to add that one? I do. Okay, so this kit's gonna get 3. Okay, this kit's gonna get 2. So this red and that one right there. Oh, it's gonna get 3 as well. I just love that burgundy color. I think that is the essence of cozy, comfy, cozy colors right here. Okay, so that's this one so far. This page kit still has yet to get anything because we're not to the yellows yet, or the blues. Okay, back to this kit. Yeah, see, look at how great that goes together. And even here. So I'm up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 papers already. Next up is yellow. Now I've got some yellow here. And these were the yellow papers. I don't have very many yellow in my stack. Ooh, I like that stripe. I like this one here too. Then I've got a couple gold pieces. I don't know that I like the gold with this. So I've got some of these speckles here represented. But I already have a gold piece there. So I think I'm going to actually skip the gold. Which is fine. Whatever. I get to do whatever I want, right? And let's see. I like that paper. Notice how I've got a tone-on-tone of white. A not tone-on-tone, but a bigger scale on these. So I am paying attention to scale here. Okay. Now, I'm only going to do one in this because I've got two other kits that need yellow. Okay. So, ooh. This one right here with this. Yep, look at that. Now I picked this one because it is kind of a textile texture. Okay. It's gonna be a very small kit. And that's okay. Okay, next is gonna be these. I think I want that diagonal. Well, let's see. I'm gonna put these on top here. No. It's between this one and the diagonal. I think I just need a diagonal in this kit because I don't have very many lines yet. Okay, so those yellows are going to come back into play probably. Do I want to add the gold to either of these? I think I actually want to add the gold to this one. Yep, that looks good. Because we've got some smaller flowers here. We've got some dots here. Those dots kind of match. Okay. That one's out. Okay, now on to green. So here's this paper. Green, 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 green. Ooh, I love green. Okay. Let's get these all laid out. See, I pulled in some different greens. Now, I pulled this one in specifically because it looks like fabric. I saw that and I was like, oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, let's see. The greens we have really are primarily in these pieces. I've got small flowers here, so this one's out. This one has the red. I don't know. I don't think that works. I've got this color. Let's see. No. Thinking this one. Oh yeah. Ooh, no. This one. No, I think that one actually goes with this one here. Yeah. That is definitely that mood and feel. So I'm going to take that one there. And then I'm also going to move this one here, because this matches better to that greenish color. Okay. Do I want to add? I've got this color here, but that's, I'm thinking I want, let's see, what scale? That's small flowers though. I don't really want small flowers. I think I want this small flower to go with this one. Let's see. I actually thought this light green would go with that other kit, but that's okay. Let's do this one with this one. Oh yeah. Okay. Do I want to add another one? No, not really. Okay. Now I'm back down to this guy. Let's pick these three. I'm fine with having a massive kit. Well, let's pick one. Be the good person and pick one. Pick that one. Okay. Next are some blues. So that blue is out for this kit. So we're going to put that up there, and then we're going to grab all the blues that I have. Okay. So here, or let's see, we'll go this way first, because this one's lacking, and that's okay. So I really don't want to pick this for this one because I already have it in my kit. I even threw in this guy right here. It's not really warm and fuzzy, but it really goes well with this. Look at that. It changes the mood and feel just a little bit. It makes it more springy looking. But if I want my kit to be made with multiple types of layouts, then I need that variety. Okay, this one is going with this page right here. Yep. Okay, do I want to add another? Do I want to add another? I don't like that one. Or this one. EXO, kindness, you and me, lovely, sunshine. Okay, I'm gonna leave, well, let's see. This has turquoise, and these are not turquoise whatsoever, but no, yep, I think that's gonna be good. Oops, I meant to keep those laid out. I like this blue dot. It's really pretty. It reminds me of snow. Okay. Back to this kit. Oh, oh, it's probably the back side. Bleeding through a little bit. Oh, I think that's gorgeous so far. Beautiful. So fun. Okay. So I need to pick a blue. I already have stripes, so that's out. Stripes out. I've got that fibrous texture already. I'm kind of thinking this one. Yep, that one. Let's see what that dot looks against. Ooh, actually, let's see if this looks like it. So this is more of a drawn floral. I don't know. No. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna hide that one. What about this? That's pretty. But I already have kind of a dark blue. Okay, so that's out. That's a purple. At least that's what it looks like compared to all the blues that's in there. Okay, let's take a look at this. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do that blue dot. Yep, that looks great. Look at that variety of color. So fun. Do I want to add another piece to this? No, not really. That looks really good together so far. I don't think, yeah, I don't think that one's gonna match. I don't think that matches my mood and feel at all. Do I want another green? I feel like I need another color besides blue, yellow, and green. We'll come back to that. Maybe I'll add a pink. Or maybe that maroon. Next up is brown. I chose brown because it was already in the paper pads that I am using for this layout already. Okay, so this has pink, like bright pink in it, but it feels like it looks. Oh, but there's this blue, purple. Wow. I think I actually might use it for this side. Okay. So these three right here were already a part of the paper packs. And I really liked that craft element. So I brought in some more. And we're going to take a look at this. And these may not end up landing in my kits. I haven't decided yet, you know, and that's why we're doing this video, because I really wanted to build a couple of kits that had that mood and feel. Comfy, cozy. I'm not going to be choosing this one because I already have that design here. I've got this craft, which I think will bring in some of that green. Yeah, I like that together. Now, I don't usually typically use craft, so I'm going to try hard to get that completed. And then this paper here is essentially the same design. So that's a no-go. Do I want to add any of these other... I think I'm actually going to add this right here with this. It brings in some warmth into this collection. So here are my two browns that I'm going to use for this collection. Yeah, I think that's going to look great. I may add another green to this. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, next up, let's see. Do I want to add a brown or do I want to go black? I guess I could do both to this one. Let's see. I kind of want to go black. Ooh, actually this dark brown right here. Yeah, I think that is a good pick for that one. Okay. Next is this one, and I think I already know which color to go with. I'm thinking that light brown text paper right there. Yeah. Yep. That's fun. Do I want to bring in this like paper color? That's cute too. Yeah, I'm gonna bring that in too. Wow, this one got a lot of brown. Now I've got this here, but the problem is this makes it look dirty. I don't know. They made it look like it got run over. I may end up ditching this piece of paper altogether at the end of this. It'll be fine. Whatever. Okay. So that kit is going to get 3 browns. One's got a gold foil on it. I've got a text. Yeah, look at that. And then bring in these pinks. Yep, that's a really good kit too. Okay. Now, when I am going to go put these into my bags. I am going to have to trim this down to 12 inches each paper. So let's just keep that in mind. Okay, so next is actually, instead of brown, I've got wood grain. And I think that's going to actually change the mood and feel completely, depending on what color wood grain I pick. Okay. So, I've already got some, I got a light brown and then that. Now this is kind of a purpley color. We've got a dark, we've got a light, we got another light-ish. I don't know that I like those. And I've got a really rich texture. And then this is not part of this. That's funny, that slipped in. Okay. So, you know what? I think I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, I like that a lot. This kit came with this one, which is a good green, but I wanted to make sure to throw that in there. But I think this really brings in the warm colors that I want in this kit. Okay, next. Is going to be, I think, this lighter color. So this page and this page came from the same collection. Let's see. I think I'm going to go with that darker color. Well, ooh. Well, let me see. Okay. It's between this one. Let's hide that color. That one. And this one. I think I'm going to go this way because this has that lighter tone on it. And I can always bring in black. That is always definitely an option. Yep, I like that. Okay. Next is going to be this kit here. Now I've got this burgundy color. Like purple? I don't know what color this is, really. Yeah. Okay, so it's between this one. That really matches well on those leaves. Or this one. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with a lighter wood grain. Interesting. Didn't think I would do that, but here we are. Okay. Next up is a white color. Okay, so this is going to be a little interesting. I've got these whites here. Oh man, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. They're kind of like a creamy color. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. I guess they say to look at some of the back of these pages because that right there is going in here. Yes, it is. I think that, look at that, how cute that is. Okay. Well, that's funny. Okay. Ooh, see, that is really cute too. Okay. And then I've got some text. And I think I'm going to save the black and white for later. Even though these are more cream. So this is actually cut apart sheet. I remember that. Let's see, do I even want, I don't know that I like these. These are out. I actually am considering this one, I think. These three right here. Although that is really cool. I think this fits the mood and feel of that paper that I really liked, that maroon color. I think I might. Let's see. Here. Where'd it go? These two together. That's pretty. Okay, so that one's not going in any of those kits. So, do I want a lighter graph? That's the question. Or do I want to bring in this? Because this brings in this one or this one. I think it's going to be that one. I'm not a huge fan of this pattern. Okay, so there's that. Even though these are white, like this is kind of a white. This is a cream, but it has that white in there. So I'm okay with mixing those. Typically I'm not. Let me tell you, typically I'm not okay with mixing. Oops. Okay, next is these papers right here. So I'm glad I picked that other piece for the other kit because this is the same pattern. I think I want the writing. Yep. Do I want... Okay, so this makes me shy away from these two. So I don't really want to change that. The other question is, do I want this piece with it? I kind of like just having that neutral background as an option. Okay. Next kit is this one. I don't know that I like any of these with this. I've already have this kind of lacy texture, but it's in this pink, which makes it a little bit different, and I like that. If I were to go with one, I'd probably do this one. Yeah. Let's get that out of the way. Let's just add it. You know, I'm okay with adding stuff and not taking it away later. It's totally fine with me. Look at that. Yep. And I'm okay with having two laces. They're different patterns, so that's okay. Next is black and white. See, I told you, I brought in everything I could think of. This is black and white. Oh, that's more of a gray. This needs to go in my black section. There we go. Okay. My kits are getting huge. That's okay, whatever. You know, that just means I get to play more, right? I think I want another green. This is getting really neutral heavy. I need another green. Let's get another green. Ooh, I think... Let's see. I think I'm going to go with... thinking this one. Yep, we'll do it. Just need another color in here because this is a lot of pink, maroon. There's hardly any yellow as well. Maybe I'll pull another yellow. Let's do this one. And you know what? Maybe I'll take away. I don't know. I really like these though. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so that's about 15. I've only got 2 real main pieces, but that's okay. For 15 papers. Okay, next on to gray. I love this paper. I think that is beautiful. There's gray. Do I have a text yet? I don't think I do. Let's put that text in there. Yeah. Okay. That looks good. Let's do this one next for just a little bit of a change. Huh? So I normally base my kits off of one piece of paper, kind of like I've done here with these 2 in the front. But these I pulled based on mood and feel. So it's a little bit different. Do I want gray in this kit? Well, I've got this color here. I was thinking this one for this other kit, but I think that's actually, well, okay, so it's between these two. Okay, looking at my other patterns, I'm seeing white and white in the background here, but there's this one and this one. Okay, so this guy or this guy? I think this one. I don't know why. I don't know. I think it's the... Yeah. I think that looks good. Okay. Got this piece. Let's see. Oh, nope. Not gonna do that. Okay. Let's see here. Next one up is this page kit here. Again, a lot of neutrals, and it's okay. Whatever. You know what? I can do whatever I want. This one. It's got a little bit of the yellow. It's got some more floral pieces. I'm heavy on the florals on this one, though. Yeah, but I don't like this. This one's a maybe, but this again is floral. And those two are too neutral. So, that's that. Here's this. Now this is the back of that. Let me see, I feel like I need more color out here to really get the mood and feel of this page kit. And I don't expect to stretch these papers across all the layouts that I'll do. So I really got to look at the whole picture. This one's not going to cut it. It is too distressed compared to the rest of my pieces. I already have a text, so that's a no-go. This one's kind of water marker colory-ish. Well, that one's kind of like that, but I don't know. Okay, this is just a straight black on black. These flowers don't match this at all, but they match this. So I think that is going to go together. Yep. I like that a lot. Okay. Do I want a gold? I've got gold here, but I don't have gold anywhere else, really. It's kind of got a watercolory-ish background. I was thinking maybe this one, actually. Yeah, because look at the floral. Okay. So that is that one. Oh, yeah. That black really pops, doesn't it? Do I want the black stripe? Black stripe is always good to have, but I have 3 other kits to look through. So let's take a look at those first, and then we'll come back to this one. If I need another black, I can always add it. I'm thinking... Ooh. Yeah, just stick. Well, I kept saying, we'll wait until the black, we'll wait until the black because of this paper right here, but these blacks don't really evoke what I want. Except for this one, really. Oh yeah, look at that against the blues. Oh yeah, okay. Changes it just a little bit. This one's throwing me off. There we go. Okay, the blue daisy loses. Ooh, but it's got a yellow on the background. I'll just add that there. Let's go back and look at the blues. So I feel like it just needs another color. Oh. Well, I got a stripe though already. No. No, too themey. That's too dark. I think I'm gonna do this one. It's between this one and this one. Let's do this one because I don't feel like I have enough white. Okay, there we go. I don't have any foil in this pit. I wonder if I add this, what's that look like? No. About this one. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, we'll do all of that. That looks good. Let's go back to the green. Maybe I can find another green to add on to this. Oh, did I totally missed a whole section of my paper. I was wondering. I was totally wondering. Look at these. I was like, I missed one. I totally missed one. Okay. This is the black, the black on white that I was trying to do before. So I feel like these flowers match those flowers, but if I take away those flowers, let me just like flip this upside down. There we go. Now I can really see what we're looking at here. Okay, I'm glad I added those blues, but I want to add another green still. Let's go back to the greens. Sorry, I'm being so wishy-washy. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Oh, well, I was kind of thinking this color. Let's see what that does. Sorry if my head's in the way. No, it clashes too much with this. Let's go back to here. Now, this has black and green. Let's try this one. No. Let's do these little flowers. I keep going back to the little flowers, don't I? It's okay though. Yeah. Do I want to add this to it? Yeah, I do. You know what? I get to do whatever I want with my own page kit, right? Or my own scrapbooking kit. Okay, so that one's done. And then back to these ones here. So I really liked this. So I picked that one. I'm done with the black. It's these black and white ones. I think this one with this. Well, this is turning very florally. No, I already have a stripe. This is too realistic. Ooh, well, let's take a look at this one too. Yeah, I think it's gonna be this one. There we go. Yep, look at that. Okay. Can't believe I totally missed this section. Okay, I kind of like the sweater color in the black. Yep, I think I like that one. That's crazy, because I just said I didn't like that pattern in the other one. Yeah, look at that. How cute that is. Do I want... No. Okay, and I already picked a black here, so that's done. Now we gotta go to this other page. Okay, I've got enough green. Okay, this one. It's the opposite of this, and that's good, right? Do I was thinking this one with it too. but now that I'm looking at the papers, I don't think so. Okay. So that's done. Now into the black. I may add this black text here. Yeah. I like text paper. Okay. I've only got one stripe? How in the world did I end up with just one stripe? I've got that stripe, or I've got this stripe. Nothing else is really distressed. And this has kind of distressing too. This is a bigger stripe than this stripe. I don't know that I like either of those with it. Well, I like that small stripe. Okay, that one. Whew. Okay, I am done with all of my pattern papers. And they're all on the floor underneath me. Now, we go on to cut-aparts. So these cut-aparts came from the packs that I tore down. I wish this was in a pattern. Beautiful. Okay, same with this one. I love that green color. Okay, let's see how many end in this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19! And what I tell you, about 20 is my perfect. Okay, so here is blues. That is not going to work for this. And then we got this one. Okay, the only problem is that wood grain. And it looks like that wood grain is going to be in everything. And that's okay. I've got that. I think that's going to work. What about this one? Ooh, yeah, I think this one actually works better. So we're going to do that one instead. Okay. So that's a definite yes. Now I've got this one. It's got that really dark wood grain in it. I don't have any of that. No. I've got some of that green, kind of. Not feeling it. Okay. I don't know that I like those flowers with these flowers. And then the last one. No. Okay. Well, that made my decision really easy. So I ended with 20 papers in this one kit. I want more green. I like my green. Okay, these are what's left. I wish this was more of an olive than that one. This is kind of... Let's add it. So I've got 3 different greens, and that's okay. Yeah. There we go. So we ended up with 21. Okay. 21 papers. I'm going to put this here, that there. I like this kit a lot. That's fun. Okay, so this kit ending with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. Let's see. No, we don't have any gold in this kit whatsoever, do we? Maybe I need to add some. Okay. Lighter wood grain. I've got these types of flowers. That looks good together. I've got that green. I think this one's gonna make the cut. Okay. So there's that one. Now the only thing that had that blue is this one. Problem are these two pieces right here. They don't really mix. But I think it mixes well with everything else. So we'll just leave it there. Oh, you know what? What's that? Ooh, yeah, here's that. Hang on. I'm really actually thinking this is going to go good with this. Oh, yeah. Okay. I stole it, sorry. That one's going to go there. Okay, so then let's go back here. No blue. And I feel like I don't have enough green. Well. Oops, I like this one actually a lot. Look at it. Yep, that one's going there. Even though it doesn't have blue in it. Okay, I'm gonna pull that one back because then this doesn't do anything for me. Yep, I think both of those are gonna go in there. Sweet. I find it hard to use cut apart, so when I can add it to a collection like this, I am all for it. Oh, so I forgot to check how many pages were in here. Let's just count real quick. $21, $22, $23. $23 in this one. Wow, that's surprising. Because I started with this one over here. So there is 3. Do I do a 4th? I think I do, because I have now that cut apart sheet is kind of going to be my guide. For this one. Oh, yep, and look at that green. Mixed right in, didn't it? It was like, I want to be a part of this collection. Okay. So I got black and white. I've got that. I need a blue. Blue. Where that is. Okay. So I've got this one. No, not the right moving field at all. Nope. I've got this one. Not the right blue. I've got that one. That's too themey. Ooh, yes. Look at that. Yep. Gorgeous. Okay, so now let's get some craft. Do I have any more craft left? I do. I've got 2 pieces. I've got this piece or this piece. This is not my mood and feel. That isn't either, but it at least has some gold on there. Yeah. And it'll bring more of that geometric shape in there as well. Okay, what other color do I need? Need some black. Ooh, what about that? Okay, this one is a for sure yes. Okay. Now I don't know that any of these blacks are gonna go. You know? It's that piece that's throwing me off. No. 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 I already have a black here. I don't know that I need to add another one. Oh, pink. Let's look at the pink. Okay, there's this pink. There's this pink. Oh, that's like a, you can't even tell that that's pink. That's almost white. There's a watercolor pink, and then there's this pink. Ooh, okay, so there's this one. Actually, I think I like this one better. Let's see. Yeah, I like that one better with it. I ended up with more neutrals again. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. That's not bad. So there's 11 page kits. Oh, look at 11. I'm just going to go with 11. 11 pages, 4 page kits, 2 inches of paper. Boom. That's how we do it here at Nikki's Scrapbooking Adventures. If you'd like to see more of this process, please let me know. This is how I usually pick one inspiration piece and then roll with it to make my page kit. So I ended with this one. I'm gonna actually put this one in front. This one and this one. All to make my warm and cozy, fuzzy feeling pages. Really, really happy with these 4 scrapbooking kits. Thought I was gonna, didn't know actually how many I was gonna end up doing, but very happy with the results. So if you have any comments, questions, concerns, would like to see me to do this again, that would be great. Let me know in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Thank you.